Hello everyone, this is Kat from Garden Grow. Today I will be talking about coriander. In this short video I will actually just be showing you from seeding to starting to seedlings to then harvesting seeds after the plant has actually gone to flower. So in October of 2021 I actually did sow about 5 coriander seeds in a container which also did have a lemon tree in it as well, and out of the 5 seeds 2 did germinate. So within the 4 weeks from October to mid-November the plant was actually growing really well, but as we got to the end of November and started getting into hotter weather, the coriander did start to bolt and go to flower. By December, the coriander plant was now in full bloom, and I had a lot of native bees and other insects pollinating all the flowers, so I would end up with a lot of coriander seeds to harvest in a few months. By the end of December, the flowers started drying out, and then it started producing coriander seeds for me to harvest in February to March. By mid-January, the coriander plant had started producing quite a lot of coriander seeds, but the actual plant itself was not dry enough for me to harvest any seeds as yet. I wanted to wait until the plant was fully dried out. As we have had so much rain here this season in our summer, I wasn't sure how the plant would actually go with drying out the seeds, because we are in our wet season and the plant was still not fully dried enough for me to harvest. But as now we're mid-February, the plant itself has fully dried out completely, and I was able to now bring the plant inside, just pop it out of the dirt, which was fine, and I brought it inside, and as of today I was actually able to start harvesting the seeds from the plant. It's actually quite easy to harvest the seeds, as soon as you start touching the seed pods off the little twigs itself, it actually just falls off very easily, so it's very delicate, and that's how I know they're ready to be harvested. So I ended up just cutting little pieces of the twigs off with the seeds and put them into a bag, and then I just rolled over the bag or hit the bag or shook the bag, and the seeds actually just came off the little twigs very easily, and you'll be able to see in the last few photos in the bag they're just now sitting there for me to use next summer, and I'll have a lot there that has actually been harvested to re-sow. So as coriander is a cool weather crop, I will be able to sow out some seeds in the next few months for our autumn and winter seasons.